My name is Tarek, and I'm the Student Success Specialist here at JPW Academy. Today, I'm going to discuss with the student their progress in terms of the Science Success Program. So, first of all, would you be able to just explain to me where you were in terms of science before you joined the course?
Um, Before, I would say chemistry and physics, I feel like I struggled a bit. But now I've kind of I've improved a lot.
Yeah, that's really good. So, specifically, chemistry and physics out of the three sciences. And what grade were you at in terms of general, like science, um, before you joined the course?
I was around a four and then a five, six.
And you went to a six, a five, six.
Yeah.
Okay, you made like a two grade jump essentially. That's really good. So, in terms of the actual course and the specifics of the course, what in terms of the lessons or the homework kind of helped you to achieve that?
Um, Definitely the homework. Because it's quite similar to the questions that you get in exams.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So it's kind of helped me structure my answers so that I know how to answer the questions in the actual exam.
Okay, yeah, definitely that having that realistic practice translated to, the actual exam and um what you'd actually do. So did that help with your confidence? Did you feel more confident going into like mock exams or the actual exams in the future?
Yeah, I definitely feel much more confident.
That's really, really good. So in terms of the lessons, was there anything you found useful in the lessons or the kind of group environment?
Um yeah, definitely. Well, I feel like the feeling that everyone's kind of like you're not alone kind of thing, but also sometimes in lesson there's a lot of distractions. So when I'm in the online lesson, I
Yeah.
can be focused as there's not many distractions around.
So in class, some students could be distractive at actual school, but then when you attend, these online lessons and this online tuition is a much more calmer and kind of freer environment.
Yeah.
Now that's really good. So in terms of the homework and that those weekly lessons, which would have been multiple times per week, how did you manage kind of committing to this on a weekly basis?
Um, well, my mom and also like just the thought of me progressing also is giving me more motivation to keep joining the.
That's really good. Did you find the workload manageable and the weekly lessons manageable to along with school and everything like that?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh,
that's good. Um, so as you was attending, weekly lessons and you was getting reminders to these lessons and weekly homeworks, how would you say that translated onto your study habits?
well, it's definitely helped me to kind of focus more. Where when I'm kind of alone and there's a lot of distractions. Um, and yeah.
Yeah, no, that's really good to hear. Um, so what kind of made you get approach this group-based tuition as opposed to getting something like a one-to-one tutor?
Um, I feel like a one-to-one tutor, I feel like there's a lot of pressure to kind of know the content,
Yeah.
whereas in a group kind of environment, um, there's not that much pressure into knowing the content.
So how did you feel with the group environment? Do you feel as though you were being heard, that you was kind of not just drowned out by everybody else?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's good. So you think you were able to ask any questions and get a suitable answer for anything you asked?
yeah.
So now that you have, made this kind of jump from, around a four to a six, how do you think that's going to help you in the future?
Um, wow. it's gonna help me like kind of don't know how to. I feel like in my like future like studying, it's gonna kind of help me just focus, I guess.
So it's helped you build those, positive study habits that could translate onto other subjects and, have kind of a domino effect.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really good. So other than that, do you have anything you think that anyone considering taking up science tuition with the JBW Academy should know?
Um. Well, just the like tuition's gonna help you a lot. Um. And yeah.
Okay, well that's really good. Well done on your progress, and we're really all proud of you. But other than that, thank you very much for your time today.